a small blank moment, but that small moment slowly began to erase faces, the way home, and even the sense of who I am. Today, we'll follow the 7 stages of dementia and discover the signs we often overlook. Stage 1. No impairment. Everything seems fine. Mom looked perfectly healthy. Every morning, she watered the garden. Every evening, she smiled watching the news. But even in those ordinary days, something very small had already begun to change. Experts say, at this stage, there are no clear symptoms yet. But regular exercise and brain-stimulating activities are the first steps to prevention. Stage 2. Very mild cognitive decline. It's just forgetfulness. Mom often forgot her keys. She laughed, saying, "What's wrong with me lately?" We laughed with her, thinking it was just age. But those little signs were already right beside us. When you start misplacing things often, or can't recall familiar names, it may be more than simple forgetfulness. Stage 3. Mild cognitive decline. When words don't come easily. In the middle of a conversation, Mom suddenly stopped. She said softly, "What was that word again?" and stared into the air. We thought she was just tired. This stage is known as mild cognitive impairment, a possible early stage of dementia. It's not too late. Now is the time to protect the brain. Stage 4. Moderate cognitive decline. The day she lost her way. That day, Mom wandered near the local store for 3 hours. It was the same road she had walked for years, but she said it felt unfamiliar. When she finally came home, she smiled. "That's strange. I was just near the house." When familiar places start to feel confusing, or simple calculations become difficult, it's time to pay closer attention. Stage 5. Moderately severe cognitive decline. When help becomes necessary. Mom opened her closet and stopped. Which one should I wear first? She held a shirt and stared for a long time. That small pause began to change all of our lives. At this stage, daily tasks like dressing or cooking become challenging. But love and patience still make the biggest difference. Stage 6. Severe cognitive decline. A familiar face becomes a stranger. Mom smiled at me, but it was the kind of smile you give to a stranger. "Mom, it's me." For a brief moment, her eyes trembled as if she remembered. Recent memories may fade, but emotions remain. Music, scent, and a gentle touch can still reach their hearts. Stage 7. Very severe cognitive decline. When words fade, love remains. Mom doesn't speak anymore, but when I hold her hand, she reacts just a little. Through that warmth, I can feel it. She's still here. Dementia takes away memories, but emotions and love never truly disappear. If we understand a little earlier, and look with a little more warmth, we can protect the memories of the ones we love a little longer. Dementia takes away memories, but emotions and love never truly disappear. If we understand a little earlier, and look with a little more warmth, we can protect the memories of the ones we love a little longer.